Yes, good morning, children. Today we are going to study about your math skills from your political science class 12th. These are the mixture questions from your other chapters, class 12th, political science. Like 10 questions approximately I taught you in my previous video. Today we proceed further regarding that only. So I told you that you will get marked A, B, C, D, E, whatsoever is given there, right? So maximum you will get on one map 5 symbols A, B, C, D. While attempting this map, you have to be careful. If it is capital B, you will recognize here capital B like it is capital. If it is written small b, small letters, it is here, wait, like it is here small letters, below. Small letters, you have to take small, right, B, in this way this is the small b, and you will identify accordingly. So, dear student, every time I used to tell you regarding your symbols, if it is capital, accordingly you have to write capital. If it is small letter like A is there, B is there, then you have to recognize A and B in small, like it is small b. And it may be in Roman figures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So that is the very careful point you have to take while attempting the math. You have to be very much careful regarding that. Okay, students? So first question is that the state carved out of MP. The state carved out of MP, symbol is B. Let us find it here B. It is here. Which state is this? This is Chhattisgarh. Accordingly, you have to write here answer Chhattisgarh and mark on your map Chhattisgarh. Then our second question is that a state opposed its merger with India just after independence. A state opposed its merger with India after independence. तो ओरिजिनल इम्बैलेंस जो है उसमें हमने चैप्टर में पढ़ना था, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो नहीं है, तो इसलिए दैट वॉज सिंबल इज डी. डी सिंबल है, तो वी हैव टू सर्च हियर. डी इज रिटन हियर. द नाउ यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द स्टेट. Which state is this? It is Manipur. In this way you will write here Manipur is the answer of this second question. Yes, beta, followed? Hopefully you have followed it. And then we have to read the third question. Which state in India where communist government was formed? Symbol is A. Related to this symbol is the A capital. Just after independence, communist party की गवर्नमेंट बनी थी, तो A is written here. Which state is this? It is Kerala. Right? One more question is there related to this state only. That is a state where decentralization was adopted. When this communist government was also in the same state, and decentralization, for that, although there is decentralization in many states in India, now it is almost everywhere, right? But you have to identify according to the symbol given. A is given here once again in this one Kerala. So answer is Kerala. You have to mention here Kerala. Then what is the fourth question? Fourth question is that a state adjoining Pakistan territory till 1971. Which letter is the symbol there? That is E. E state is here. It is Tripura, but it was adjoining Assam also there, right? Total के लिए ही है. तो earlier it was this we can say Bangladesh, okay, that was called East Pakistan. तो उसके साथ ही मिलता था. After 71 ये जो इसके डिजाइनिंग बाउंड्री है, तो दैट इज हियर वी हैव टू राइट Tripura for this state adjoining boundary. The answer is Tripura. Then our fifth question is there. An agricultural prosperous state. Yes बेटा, आपने इसको ध्यान में रखना है. Although now many states are prosperous agriculturally, but what is marked here? Marked here, see the agricultural prosperous state. Let us search where is C. It is C. So which state is this? It is Punjab. So you have to write here answer Punjab. So in this way, answer for the C is Punjab. Right? Adjoining state category, that is E marked here, that is Tripura. You have to write Tripura. And then 29th state of India. All of you know that. I have put here small a. You have to write small a, it is here. Which state is there? देखो ये छत्तीसगढ़ से इधर लग रही है, इधर आंध्र प्रदेश का कुछ हिस्सा है, एंड समवेयर इट शेयर इट्स बाउंड्री विद महाराष्ट्र ऑल्सो एंड कर्नाटक ऑल्सो. देन वी हैव टू टेक दिस स्टेट इज तेलंगाना. विच स्टेट इज देयर? Telangana. Telangana state is there. That is the 29th state of India. I have marked here small a. Accordingly, you have to pick it up. Now my next question is that National Congress of India, Congress, its session was held in 1959. Although with each question I am explaining you that there are many sessions in different states, but you have to see what is marked. Only it is very simple, so simple. You have to identify only the states. Mark is small b letter is given there. Small b letter is given there, and you have to see where it is written small b. Small b is there here written. So small b we have taken here, right? Small b. It is Maharashtra. We have to give answer Maharashtra. Okay. Wait. Hopefully now it is visible. Then you have to see it's B Maharashtra. Then our next question is there a state called Madras earlier. So symbol is also given. I have written here J. So for this it is Tamil Nadu. You have to write here answer Tamil Nadu. Earlier its name was Madras, and Chennai is the capital of this Tamil Nadu. Right? Tamil Nadu इसने स्टेट कहा तो हमने स्टेट का नाम लिख दिया. Otherwise we have to recognize it as a Chennai also. Then our next question 9, a state in which this communist leader, the state in which communist leader E.M.S. Badhuri belonged to. Very simple. Once again here it is written capital A. A capital written, and we have to recognize it is here capital A in Kerala. This ultimately this question belongs to this question number 3rd. Question number 3rd also वहाँ भी ये लिखा हुआ है. तो in this way regarding state Kerala you are getting 3 questions. Okay, you are getting 3 questions for same state. That is their answer is Kerala. So once again I am going to revise your this map work. You have to be more attentive regarding this. So you please take care. A state carved out of MP. The state carved out of MP, that symbol is V, that is Chhattisgarh. You have to recognize from there. And a state that opposed its merger with India just after independence, that is D. D is here in Manipur. Then you have to give the answer Manipur. The first state in India where communist government was formed, symbol is A. A is here, that is Kerala. And the states adjoining Pakistan territory till up to 1971, it was Assam and Tripura. Tripura and Assam. I have marked here E, and you have to recognize accordingly. This one Assam and this one Tripura. Both the states adjoining. Then our question number 5. Agricultural prosperous state. And earlier I also explained that there are many states that are agriculturally prosperous, but here it is marked that C. According to your chapter, C is marked here. You have to identify the state, which is it. It is Punjab. You have to write here Punjab. And then our next question to our current affair, that is 29th state of India. 29th state of India, that is marked small letter A. Now you have to search here small letter A. It is here. Right? So which state is this? It is Telangana. It is carved out from Andhra Pradesh. Chhattisgarh के boundary में, south of the Chhattisgarh, west of Maharashtra, and north of this Andhra Pradesh. Got it? Yes, beta. Next question is National Congress session held in 1959, and symbol is given small letter B, and we have to recognize there it is B small letter, it is here. So which state is this? It is Maharashtra. I have mentioned here Maharashtra state is there. Then our question number 8 is there, state that called Madras earlier, and symbol is given J. J symbol is given here. Okay, which state is this? This is Kerala, this is Andhra Pradesh, and it is Maharashtra, and in between it is Karnataka, right? And this is Tamil Nadu. So I earlier mentioned also Tamil Nadu, that is capital city was is nowadays it is Chennai. Earlier it was called Madras. Madras भी बोलते हैं. 9th question is that the state to which our communist leader E.M.S. Banduri belonged to, right? Naburi Banduri belong to, that is marked A, capital A is there. So you have to recognize this state. I told you that A is marked 2 times. Here also, here is also. Then you have to identify once again A is Kerala. So in this way you will get marks to identify the states, and some information is given regarding those states here. It would be helpful for you to learn your MCQs also as well as map work. Dear student, map is the heart and soul of your humanities group, and you have to be very much careful. You have to be very much sensible regarding that. Don't get confused here and there. You are free to discuss with me whenever you face any type of problem. So do this map on loose map and get it pasted, and make one copy like booklet like of all the map work. Thank you. Bye.